Hey there! In this video, we'll go over how to deactivate products and orders in inFlow, and we'll go over how to find them should you need them later on. Let's take a look at products. From inFlow's homepage, click on the product list and open a product your company has stopped buying and selling. From here, click on Deactivate. When done, you'll see View Only next to Saved to let you know this product isn't available anymore. Click on the X button to go back to the product list. In the menu bar, you'll see filters you can use to narrow down the products in the list. You can customize the filters by clicking on All Filters. From here, you could put a check mark next to any filters you want to use or uncheck filters you don't want. To view products that have been deactivated, select Active/Deactivated. The Show filter will open in the menu. You could select Deactivated, then click Apply. From here, you'll see the list of deactivated products. Please note, the Show button will be renamed to the option you've picked. In this example, it now says Deactivated. To reset the product list, click on it again, then select Clear. Let's take a look at orders. Orders in inFlow can be canceled rather than deactivated, but inFlow will treat canceled orders like deactivated products. For this example, we'll take a look at sales orders. From the homepage, click on the sales order list and open an order you want to cancel. At the top right of the screen, click on Cancel Order. When the order is canceled, you'll see View Only at the top right. To return to the sales order list, click on the X to the left of the screen. On this screen, you'll see 3 sales order view options. Open, which shows all open sales orders in the location selected. To change the location, you could select it from the menu. Next, there's Unpaid. This shows all orders that have no payment information. And finally, there's the All view. This is where you can see all sales orders across all locations, including sales quotes, unconfirmed, and canceled sales orders. Let's stay on the All view to find canceled sales orders. In the sales order menu, click on Status. From here, select Canceled. Then click Apply. From here, you'll see a list of your canceled orders. If you want to process a canceled order, you can click on it, then select Reopen Order. To reset the view of the sales order list, you can click on the Canceled button, then click on Clear to reset the filter. Or you can select the Open view to go back to your in-progress orders. To recap, we've gone over how to deactivate products and how to cancel orders. You can apply the same steps to other screens in inFlow, such as vendor and customer records, stock adjustments, and stock transfers. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the inFlow team. You can find contact details on screen or linked in the description. Thanks for watching.